Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my boxycharm unboxing video. So as you guys know, in my last video, I told you guys that I was thinking about canceling Ipsy and just doing boxycharm like I was doing before, because I've been very disappointed with Ipsy time and time again. It really wasn't worth it. I probably got 2 good bags out of all the bags that I've ever gotten, and I just was very disappointed. But I am so excited because I'm still going to be doing my boxycharm unboxing and / try on videos. So this is this month's boxycharm. You guys know what the box looks like. I've already opened it, took my flat lay and everything. So when you open it, on the top it has a little card that they've been doing lately, and this one has all of the information on here. It does not have any pictures of what the products are like the other ones have in the past. I do like the fact that they've been doing this because it gives you more information compared to their old card. I also got variation 1 because I know that this month there was a lot of variations. Just letting you guys know that I did get box variation 1, which is usually the one that I get. I heard that this month there was like 30 something variations, so I think that's pretty crazy. Like you guys saw, this month's theme is life of the party, and you guys see Laura Lee's face here because this month does feature her eyeshadow palette. And then this is everything that you get in this month's box. So this month it brought 6 items compared to the usual 5 that we usually get. I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking things out in the order that in which I would use them. So the first product that we got, which we got this brand last month, is from Wander Beauty, and these are their baggage claim gold eye masks. It brings 3 different eye masks here, and let's see what it says here. Okay, it says that these gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. It has hyaluronic acid in it that reduces the appearance of wrinkles, with aloe leaf extract and lavender to cool and soothe your under eye area, and that these 3 retail for $13, which I don't think is bad at all. So I am going to go ahead and use one. Apply onto clean dry skin under the eyes, and repeat on the other side, and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and gently pat the remaining serum onto the skin. So let's see how greasy and nasty these are. Ooh. So they're pretty slimy, but they look really nice. This is weird. Oh, okay, so it has like a little top layer and a bottom layer. So I guess you open the little plastic part and it unveils the eye masks, and they seem like paper. A lot of the ones that I've tried, I don't think they've ever been paper. I think they're usually jelly. Go ahead and put this under this eye. Definitely need this. Ooh, these adhere onto the skin so nicely. It's nice because it really like sticks into the corner in here. Most of them don't like to stick right into this inner part of the eye. These are very, very cooling. So there we have it. I'm looking crazier than ever. They are a little bit uncomfortable, like when it comes to blinking and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and let these sit on for 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so it's been about 10 minutes or so. Before I take these off, as you guys noticed, my eyebrows are filled in. I was gonna try out one of the boxycharm items to see if it would be good for my eyebrows. So that's why I started kind of playing with it on one eyebrow, and then I was gonna show you guys on the other eye if it did work, but it didn't end up working. So anyways, I'll tell you guys about that in a second. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. Here's the grand reveal. It definitely feels very, very cooling under the eye, and you can almost even like see the area where I put the eye mask on. And then it says to just pat the excess into the eye. I like this. It's not super greasy or slimy or sticky. It definitely wakes you up under the eye and freshens you up. I wouldn't say it's like the Baggage No More thing from Dr. Brandt from last month, because that tightened. This doesn't really tighten, but it does definitely brighten you up and makes you feel nice and refreshed under your eyes. So to go ahead and prime my eyes today, I'm gonna go ahead and use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair 00. So this is their white shade, and the reason why I'm doing this is because the eyeshadow palette that we're gonna use is very, very bold and vibrant. So I really want those colors to really pop and adhere. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use this small little kabuki brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. So then now that we look stunning, I wanted to talk to you guys about another product that came in my boxycharm, which is this from Bang Beauty. So it is a gel eyeliner, and it's in the shade Chocolate. So the reason why I tried using this as my brow product is because that it said that you can use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or to touch up your brows. and I wanted to see how it worked. So this is $22. I am going to use this later on in the video. I don't know exactly how because it is brown. So I ended up using my Kat Von D Super Brow, and this is in the shade medium brown, which I don't know if I've told you guys about this, but I actually really like this more than the Anastasia Dip Brow because it's a lot creamier. So this is in the shade medium brown, and this is in the shade chocolate. So you see how much lighter this is and warmer this is compared to this. So on my eyebrows, it just wasn't looking cute. It was looking too light. Maybe for somebody who has like natural blonde hair and eyebrows, this would work well on. Or even someone who has lighter eyebrows than I do, it would work well on. But yeah, I just went ahead and went over it with the Kat Von D Brow Gel. This next product here, I'm so excited about. This is from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. If you guys don't know who Laura Lee is, she is a beauty guru on YouTube. So this is the Party Animal eyeshadow palette. So it's super, super bright and fun. Has 6 shades, 2 shimmers, and then 4 mattes. So this retails for $19. Everybody got this eyeshadow palette, which I actually really like because it's not a neutral palette. It is something a little bit different, something to get people out of their comfort zones. And I'm just going to show you guys some swatches back here really quick. So those are the shades right there. So it is a really, really pretty bright eyeshadow palette. I don't know exactly what look I want to do because I have to make sure that it goes well with the lip product that we got in this month's box. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this shade here called It's a Party. So it's this really bright neon green color, and I'm going to go ahead and take that on a nice fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this as my crease shade. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. Well, I guess we'll see. And I'm doing a really light wash of this because I just want it to be really like a transition shade. So then I'm going to go ahead and go into the shade Damage Control right here, which is this really bright like aquamarine blue color. And I'm going to go ahead and take this on a Morphe M514 brush, which is a very small little tiny baby brush, and go ahead and apply this into my crease. I don't know what's going to happen here, guys. We're in this together. So it seems like it's blending out very well. And then I'm going to take that same exact brush and take some of the shade Karaoke, and I'm just going to go ahead and buff that into the crease as well, but just a little tiny bit lower than where we've been buffing out that other blue. This is just to kind of deepen everything up and prepare everything for what we're about to do next. And then I'm just taking some of that It's a Party shade and just going in and blending out the edges up here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this crown brush. This is the Crown C510. And I'm going to grab that Karaoke shade one more time on this flat shader brush. And this is a natural haired brush, so it's good for matte eyeshadows because it helps it adhere better. And I'm just going to go ahead and start packing this onto the lid. And it's a good thing I didn't put on foundation underneath because this has a little bit of fallout. And guys, I just want to say that this blue is so pigmented. It is very, very bright and vivid. Even though I'm packing this on, usually blues like this tend to like fade out. But this is really, really nice. This palette kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay Electric palette. I don't know if you guys remember that palette. A lot of people say it looks like the Huda Beauty Electric palette, but I think it reminds me more of that palette from Urban Decay. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out one more time with my M514 brush. This is just to make sure everything blends out well. So then I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner in the shade Vivid Escape, and this is a really bright green that matches that It's a Party shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes with this. And we're kind of just going with the flow here. I kind of feel like this is like a Dory inspired look. Now we have one eye done. I'm going to go ahead and do this other eye off camera really quick, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face, put on my foundation, my highlighter and everything, and as well as finish the other eye. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit closer here so that you guys can really see this eye. And I really have an issue with these NYX eyeliners because they tend to crack on the eye. I don't know if you can tell that well. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is take that Ipsy Party shade and just take that on a flat little eyeliner angled brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and pat that right on top of that eyeliner to see if maybe that'll help make it look a little smoother. So then I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara. Okay, I just needed to look a little tiny bit normal. I felt like I looked crazy. I'm going to go ahead and take the eyeliner from Bang Beauty. And like I said, this is in the shade Chocolate. So this retails for $22. And I'm going to take a little tiny bit of that on a little tiny brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and use it to line my waterline because I don't really know where else to put it on here. Just like the lightest shade of brown, but whatever. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take that Ipsy Party shade again, put it on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take this ColourPop E10 brush and take that Damage Control shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and plop that on underneath my lash line here. These are really pigmented, guys. I was not expecting them to be this nice. No offense to Laura Lee, it's just, I don't know, I just didn't expect them to be as good as they are. And then just make sure that everything looks nice and blurry and it doesn't look like I just lined my eyes with some blue. And then to really make that inner corner pop, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Ipsy Party, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right in the inner corner. And I'm just going to press it in. You can see just how nice that looks. And then to really make that pop, I'm just going to go ahead and take a bit of this Helia shade from the Anastasia Aurora palette. I'm just going to plop that on in the very inner part of my inner tear duct. And this is just add a little shine so that way it's not so matte. And then the next product that came in this month's box, I was super excited for this product because I've been wanting to try these forever. So these are the House of Lashes in the style Siren Mini. So they have different ones. They have like the regular ones that are really big and bold, and these are supposed to be like more natural or wearable. So I'm going to go ahead and use these. I already prepped my eyes with mascara. It says that it retails for anywhere between $9 to $12. So I'm going to take it, these are $9 because they are the minis. And the reason why it says between $9 and $12 is because there is an assortment of different lashes from House of Lashes. So some people got these, some people got different ones. I'm really excited about these, guys. I have a pair of lashes like these from Ardell. They're called Ardell 600s. These are a style of lashes that I've been wanting to try out for so long. Alrighty, so I'm taking some of my Kiss Lash Glue as always. And after I let them get a little tiny bit tacky, I'm going to go ahead and take some tweezers and pull up the longest lash in the center. And then I'm just taking the lashes and just kind of squeezing them together. And then what I always make sure to do before those lashes get super dry is, while they're still kind of tacky, is I just take my finger and push them up. And this opens up the eyes, and then you can actually see the lashes. Wow, these are really pretty. They're super baby though. Like, I mean, I know that they're minis, but I guess I wasn't expecting them to be this small. So I'm gonna let that dry, and as I let that dry, I'm gonna talk to you guys really quick about another product that came in my boxycharm, which is the Adesi Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essential, and this is the Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. So this is supposed to help to strengthen the nails and prime it, protect them as well. I definitely need this. I'm going to try this out a little bit. I think this video might be up by the end of this week. If not, then it'll be ready by the following week. So I'll definitely put a little update. I have been using this day and night, and I haven't noticed a big difference yet in my nails. I wash hair all day, so my hands are super dry constantly. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know how I feel about that later, but just to show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like this. So it's like a little nail polish, and then you just kind of brush it onto your fingers. And then once you put it on your fingers, and you just go ahead and rub them into your nails, and that's it. Let it dry, and I like it because it's not greasy or sticky, and it does dry pretty fast. Oh, and by the way, that retails for $18. So then the last product is this Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and I've been wanting to try this formula for a while because I've heard a lot of people talk about this, and this is in the shade Psychic Medium. So I'm going to show you guys what the shade looks like, which is why I was having such a hard time trying to decide what eye look I was going to do. So it kind of looks like a muted brown grayish color. I'm going to go ahead and take like this berry lip liner. This is Very Berry or Soft Berry from Essence Beauty. And this is just going to bring out the berry tones in the lipstick. So let's see how well it looks with this eye look. I'm so nervous, guys, because it's a pretty color, but I just wouldn't pair it with this eye look or this eyeshadow palette. We're stepping out of our comfort zone here. So I like the little applicator. It makes it really easy for getting around these edges here. It has a nice soft smell. I like the formula. It's very soft and comfortable. Not mad at it at all. I actually really like how it looks with the eyes. It's not something I would do on a day-to-day basis, but I really am liking it. So this is it. This is the finished look, guys. I really like all the products that came. Oh, by the way, that retails for anywhere between $21 and $24 because they had an assortment of different Smashbox lipsticks. So overall, I'm really impressed, especially with this eyeshadow palette. I just didn't think it was going to be as bright and pigmented as it was. And look at how well they blended out. Like, they just diffused out into like nothingness. And I was really impressed with that. I wasn't expecting them to be as pigmented as they were. Definitely did catch me by surprise. And guys, this lip color, I love the lip color on its own. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but I really do like it. It's like a really pretty muted grayish brown with a little bit of a warm undertone. I don't know how to explain it. And it kind of makes my teeth look really white, which is surprising. That is that for my boxycharm, but I absolutely love this month. I'm really excited to see what we get in the next month. And next month, guys, if you guys haven't signed up for boxycharm, you guys need to make sure you guys do sign up. I'm gonna put my link down below for you guys to sign up. You'll get a free product usually whenever you use my link, because it's not an affiliate link, but it's just my referral code or my referral link. And usually with those referral links, if you go and sign up through there, right now they have a promotion where you get a free MAC blush full size. So I get a free MAC blush for you signing up, and you also get a free MAC blush for you signing up as well. So it's kind of like a win-win there. And then, but if you guys sign up now, you'll get everything that you saw in today's box, probably a different variation of it. And in September, you will qualify to be able to get the Boxy Luxe. It's going to be like 10 items instead of like 6. All full size. It's going to be anywhere between lifestyle, skincare, hair, makeup. So it's going to be a bunch of different things in that box, and it is going to be a seasonal type of thing. So it's kind of like FabFitFun, where you get the lifestyle and all of that stuff, fitness and all of that stuff. They will not have fitness though, but they will have some lifestyle things from what I hear. And it's going to be about the same price as the FabFitFun. So basically, you're still going to get charged the $21, and on top of that, you're going to get charged an additional $28 if you sign up for it, and you will qualify to get the Boxy Luxe box. So I'm super excited for that. Hopefully, I'll be able to get it because they do have a limited amount. 4 months that you're going to get the boxycharm Luxe box, which is basically when the new seasons are. And on the other months, you'll still get charged the $21 like always and get regular boxycharm. And not only that, but then you'll also basically, what they're going to do is the items that you were gonna get in the boxycharm box, you'll still get those in addition to an additional 4 to 5 items. So I definitely think it's a really good deal. So I'm super excited for that. I'm hoping that I get it so that way I can show you guys and let you guys know my thoughts on it. But if you're not able to get it this month, you can put yourself on the wait list, and they'll know exactly how many people wanted to get the box, and they'll make sure that you will get yours in December. So if I don't get it now, I definitely will get it in December, and I'll let you guys know then. But hopefully I will get it for September. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and as always, if you guys have any requests, please leave them down below in the comment section. I absolutely love whenever you guys leave requests. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then.